Right lads, just a little look at the young birds. They're all been out. I had a little fly this morning. Yeah, they're coming on really well now. Then we've got the other young ones from the other loft, the other 9. They're in the bees now. So yeah, happy days. Starving, yeah, I've been out for about an hour. Come on. So I've got a few more coming. I've got some eggs off the stock birds, and I've got some more coming off my friend. So obviously I'll put them in the other little loft and so they're old enough, and I'll switch them over once they're old enough to fly out. Bit awkward putting them in at different ages, but I've just got no choice the way I've had to do it this time, so we'll sort it out. Alright lads, you take care. See you all later.